skylight.
Skylight.
Now the client's requested a skylight. That's done.
It's a skylight.
Good morning, everyone. We are not having the best morning.
Oh shit!
We are ramboarding. We're on our next job right now. We come in, we're meant to replace all these ceilings because if you didn't know, which you probably don't know, there was really bad hail. Happened here about 2 weeks ago.
The hail is like baseballs here. It is ruining our house. We've got holes in the roof everywhere.
This whole neighborhood got smashed by hail. You can see the neighbor, they got tarps on that roof. We got tarps on this roof.
Oops, don't mind the broken couch. This piece of hail came through the roof. What the hell? I don't know if you can see, but everyone's houses have had hail go through the roof. It is insane.
My partner Magenta's art class sink.
Caused by what researchers believe could be the biggest hail recorded in Australia. Thankfully, the outlook is clear for now.
And it's been raining really heavily.
Alan was almost crushed. He was cleaning up yesterday when he took a rest in the corner of his dining room.
The ceiling just come down, just suddenly creaked and collapsed.
So we've got this over here. Let me flip the camera around. So there's tarps here. We've still got water dripping everywhere. Water is coming down.
You think?
It is dripping. So we've got to cover everything up. Still dripping through here. Nightmare. It stinks. We're actually getting ready. Well, we're going to pull all these ceilings down today. Carpet absolutely drenched. And we need workers. We need workers out here. Got to take the washing machine dryer down. As you can see, got water dripping through there. It's wet there. So we've got to protect this floor. Got to protect this floor so we can take these ceilings down. Yeah, the floors need to dry out as well, so we're kind of like don't know what to do as well. Tarps everywhere. All the solar panels in this whole neighborhood, they've all been smashed. And yeah.
Storage, and that's my only storage. I've still got a gym, a treadmill, and
some beds. So that's pretty much it, guys. I thought I'd make a quick video to show you what we're doing today. I don't even know how far we're gonna get. Just trying to protect this floor and hope the sun comes out. And we're just worried as well. We can't just take this down and resheet. This timber really needs to dry out now, especially with still a lot of water. There's still a lot of wind around. There's still a lot of rain around. So that's it. Stay tuned because it's gonna be a long one. There's no more ramboard in the city. This is the last roll in the whole city. This is a stone top, so we put plastic down put this ram board down, and that should protect it. And we always like to take photos as well. The electrician has come, he's made everything safe, he's taken all his lights down, he's marked them all out, so we can just rip the ceiling down. We only have to bring through the fans, because the fans are, the cables run through a batten. And we're replacing this complete ceiling and putting a control joint in here, so we're going to stop there. So we've got to cut that before we start ripping it down. And that's it.
Maybe skirting as well, because it's MDF.
Yeah, good point. This is MDF skirting. And MDF does not like water. I don't know why they put MDF down on the ground, even when you mop. And you can see here,
Swollen.
it's already started to swell here. Yeah, both. You can just see here.
So it's in the arc as well.
Yeah. Oh, and that's under this.
Oh dear.
And that's under this.
Oh dear. I'll do this broad up the whole lot.
So, and it's going to get worse.
Yeah.
We have been mopping it up, but more water keeps coming in.
Yeah.
So I don't know what we're doing. It's not looking good. Not looking good. All this insulation, all waterlogged. Anyway, stay tuned, figure it out, and you're going to help us out. You guys are going to help us out on this job. Hey, Kurt. And if you're in Brisbane, Gold Coast area, give me a call if you want to have a job.